Hello friends, welcome back to this series of AngularJS. And in the previous videos, we have discussed so many things like how you can create your own controls and how you can write the events for those controls. So today we are going to do a simple exercise related to these controls like text boxes and the button, and there is a click event, and I'm going to handle that click event. And what we are going to do in this application, we are going to just simply create one application where two numbers will be added, right? So here, if you see, you can see that this is the addition of two numbers program. So we will add three text boxes here: one text box for the first number, second text box for the second number, and the third text box for the result. And here I will be using the two-way binding, right? So the ng model thing that I have discussed in the previous video, that you can remember, and based on that we are going to discuss that. So let me first create the input boxes. Input, and then ng model is equal to num1 and br slash, then input ng model is equal to num2 br slash, right? So these num1 and num2 I have used for binding. So these two num1 and num2 variables I need to define here. So I will just define it as a string. So 100 and num2 string is equal to 200. And I need to create one more variable, result string is equal to parse int this dot num1 plus parse int this dot num2. And here I need to do one thing. Here I need to put it like int number. Sorry, input, and here I need to put ng model, which will map to the result, and then I need to provide it like br slash break. Now let us see what is visible here. Okay, so here you can see 100 and 200, the sum is 300, right? So let me just do one more thing. I need to put two breaks so that it looks a bit better. So let me just press F5 and let's see. Okay, so now the click me is a bit below. Okay, so now we are going to handle these events. So this is the on click event for the button, and here I'm just going to write my code. So this dot result is equal to the same thing, parse int. Okay, so whatever you will do, that will be visible to result, which is the third input box, third text box, because it is two-way binding. For the two-way binding, I told you that you need to use this ng model. When you use this ng model, then it means that there is two-way binding in progress. So let me just run it again, and you can see that it is 100 and 200 is equal to 300. If I write it like 202 and then click, it becomes 302. And if you write like 109 and 202, it becomes 311. So this is the way it is working. So this is just a simple example how you can do it. And this is, I know this is a very simple example. I should have taken more complex example, but I'm not going to write any software here. I'm just going to give you an idea that how you can think of writing your own applications. Like based on this application, you can create your own calculator application. So that can be an exercise for you. You can create a complete calculator which will perform the basic operations like addition, subtraction, and all those things. Okay, So that's it for today, and in the next video you will see that how we can create how we can use the pipes and how we can create our own pipes. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video. Have a nice day and bye bye.